Okay, let's take a look at the 6th brush set, which is the rolling set. I made a large size for doing the background. You may have seen the rollers, right? That roller is this rolling brush. When painting the walls in a house, we use a painting roller, right? This one is like you roll that roller. This one will be used to make a beautiful background. It's the same as when we roll a roller on the wall. It will give you this feeling. It will have a dry edge around it. It's going to give you a texture like this. And there will be other types as well, rolling too. When you use it, it can be enlarged to make it very big. This one will give a dark border. You can see the ridge by the edge is quite high. It's like this. You can try it out. For this one, you should paint it only once, and it should be enough. You don't have to repeat it many times. Paint it once or twice, and it should be enough. Because if you apply it too much, it will have too many layers. I think about 2 layers is right. It's beautiful. The next one will be a rolling brush that gives a rough surface too. If you repeat the painting, the colors will gradually overlap like this. You paint it and write a nice letter. Let's say I write a thick letter. It's like this. This is beautiful. This one will give a wet texture slightly. It's like painting on a wet wall. It's for painting a background. The last one will be something like this. There's color inserted into it too. It's like a pigment color that has been inserted into it. When you paint it, it looks like there are 2 colors mixed. If you keep repeating it, it will be like a brush stroke. Or you can paint it only 1 layer. One to 2 layers like this is good. Okay. It's like this. There are 5 brushes in total for you to choose from. You can play with them. The next set will be our biggest set, which is the stamp set. Let's check them out.